Hi! If you are new here, welcome. You are watching Compact Reviews. We aim to update on the latest and best everything that has to do with cooking and the kitchen. We test them out in real life so you know what they're like even before buying them. For someone who loves cooking, nothing could be better than Compact Reviews.
In this video, we will discuss the top 7 best home brewing kits. So let's get started. Number 7. Northern Brewer Home Brewing. Northern Brewer offers an excellent system for those looking to dip their toes into the home brewing world. This all-in-one kit comes with everything you need to start your first brew, including a 6.5-gallon fermenter with spigot, lid and bubbler airlock, bottling bucket with spigot assembly, bottle filler, 21-inch stainless spoon, 5-foot siphon tubing and more. Plus, the included Block Party Amber Ale recipe kit has enough ingredients to make 5 gallons of finished beer or 50 12-ounce bottles. Once you've mastered the Amber Ale, try out Northern Brewer's other recipe packs: crisp Mexican lagers, Irish Red Alesh, rich chocolate milk stouts, and summery lemon shandies. Number 6. Mr. Beer Craft Beer Kit. In the brewing scene, Mr. Beer is known as the kit pro brewers start off with before moving on to professional-grade brewing equipment. This craft beer kit comes with step-by-step instructions with simple ingredients for beginners. Still, it's also a great option for seasoned brewers. Mr. Beer has an impressive selection of over 100 different recipe options. There are whiskey barrel-aged imperial stouts complete with oak chips to add to your fermenter, hazy amber alesh, and hoppy IPAs. Every kit includes all of the essentials needed to brew 2 gallons of beer in 30 minutes flat, like a keg fermenter. Number 5. Northern Brewer Beer Making. This Northern Brewer beer making kit is perfect for creating your own makeshift home brewery. It includes a 5-gallon kettle and stirring spoon, a wort chiller, faucet adapter, 8-gallon megapot, 6.5-gallon plastic fermenter, bottle filler and tubing, bottle capper and more. An upgrade to its best-selling starter kit, Northern Brewer subs out a manual siphon for a racking cane in this version. A small upcharge will tack on a keg system or a dark star burner too. Choose from either a fresh squished IPA or a Caribou Slobber Brown Ale recipe. All in all, this kit packages together hundreds of dollars worth of brewing equipment at a reasonable price point. Number 4. Muntons Craft Beer in a Bag. For a truly low-key brewing system, just add water to the Muntons Craft Beer in a Bag kit to make 25 pints of beer. Developed in collaboration between Nottingham Trent University and the University of Nottingham in England, this kit makes and dispenses beer from the bag to your glass in 30 days. Each kit yields 1 use. This particular kit crafts a dark ale at 4.2% ABV and includes a brewing bag, caps, hopped malt extract and dried yeast packet. Note that this isn't ideal for brewers who want to get creative with their beers. Each recipe is cut and dry and requires minimal effort to create. Number 3. Grainfather Connect Complete. One of the more advanced brewing systems, Grainfather comes equipped with the tools to continue brewing time and time again. This system is made with high-quality, 304-grade stainless steel and can hold up to 8 gallons of brew at a time, resulting in 6 gallons of beer with each brew. This innovative system can be hooked up to the Connect app. Through it, talk through your favorite brews and beer-making tips with the online Grainfather brewing community. Via the machine's Bluetooth capability, check in on your beers and set the next step of the process into motion. Even more, Grainfather includes detailed instructional videos on their website. Note that this unit is designed for the more experienced home brewer. Number 2. BeerDroid Beer Brewing System. The world's first fully automated personal brewer, BrewArt's BeerDroid crafts 2.6 gallons of premium quality beer with the press of a few buttons. This brewer is Wi-Fi connected so you can monitor and adapt your brewing process through the BrewArt app. Use the LCD screen to check in on your brew, tweak the temperatures, and customize the beer. Equipped with patented end-of-fermentation technology, the BeerDroid automatically detects when the beer is finished brewing and ready for kegging. All of the brewprints, BeerDroid's pre-programmed beer-making guides, have been designed by master brewers. This particular kit comes with an American Pale Ale brewprint. The ingredients that make up each recipe are also 100% natural and free from any preservatives. Number 1. BrewDemon Conical. BrewDemon's conical fermenting system comes with handcrafted beer recipes from New Zealand's highly regarded Spate Brewery. A smooth, durable inner surface and translucent amber finish allow you to watch what you are brewing while protecting the beers from UV lights. Despite its compact size, the fermenting system brews a hefty 2 gallons of beer. Each kit includes a conical fermenter, C02 venting system, flow spigot, temperature gauge, recipe ingredients, bottles, caps, labels, and other essentials. Once you're stocked up with all this equipment, there's no limit to the amount of beer you can brew.